So we're gonna get straight into the video. This is a 9x12 self-sealing clear bag. And I'm just showing you how I package my cake toppers for shipping online. And this is the envelope. And I'm gonna link these below. And here's the cake topper. And it's on the 80-pound sheet of white cardstock paper. And I just put my Instagram, eBay, and Etsy logos on there. So basically, when you put it in the bag, you want that extra piece to go on the back when you seal it. And then this order was marked as a gift. So when it's marked as a gift, you don't put the price for the order slip in there. And since it was marked as a gift, I just added a ribbon to it. And then the camera is gonna cut off, so I inserted a picture of the envelope at the end, and you just put the label on it, and you want to put a sticker that says "Do not be in" and fragile.